I'm about to make some Alfredo chicken from scratch. I cut up the chicken and I seasoned it and grilled it. Sorry, I couldn't show you that part. I just thought about doing that right now. But the seasonings that I use, you want to make sure you get your pot nice and hot. I use this seasoning. I use this seasoning. I use blackened seasoning. I use ground garlic powder. I use salt and pepper. And I had used some, I ran out of it. I just threw the bottle away, but it was some Old Bay for chicken. So those are some of the spices that I use. And they're pretty good. They grill pretty good. I love to make the sauce. You want to make sure you get your pot nice and hot. Then you want to get some flour. Then you want to get your Parmesan cheese and your heavy cream. You know that. Heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, butter, and flour. Wait, baby. I'm going to put a cup of flour. I'm going to use 2 cups of milk. 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay, you guys, on this part, you want to use a real good whisker, like a metal one, and you want to whisk the sauce really well because you want to break up all the flour, you guys. So yeah. Oh yeah, and another thing, I had the grease that was, you saw the butter. I had saved some of the grease that I had used to fry the chicken in the pan, then I put it on the grill, so it kind of gave it even extra flavor. Now you're going to see me add a cup of milk as well because the heavy cream is really thick, so I wanted to loosen it up because you know the flour already is going to make it thicker, so I added a cup of milk to it. Well, I believe it was a cup and a half because I made a lot of noodles. So now I'm about to put the cheese in. My crumb. You can put more milk in there if you want to make it a little more thinner, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I ended up putting more milk in as well, and I cooked it on medium low heat. Add some more milk. And mix that baby up. Okay, 1 second, Trini, please. Alfredo sauce from scratch. Look at that cheese. I had cheese left over, so I put more in it. Then I also added another half stick of butter to make the sauce more smoother. One more thing of butter. Look good. That is how you do it, you guys. The broccoli in there and the chicken. I should have had put the chicken on the side, but it's still gonna be bomb, y'all. All right. I will see you after I make our plate. All right. Michael. Yummy. He love it. Good. It is Alfredo chicken and broccoli. My baby love it. And he got his little lemonade juice. Mmm. That's like Applebee's.
I like cake.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Cake. That tastes good. Bye, everybody. Well, as long as my kids love it, it's a hit. And it was a great hit. It tasted so good. And my daughter, she has autism, and she's on the spectrum, and she loves to make cakes and to sing happy birthday every day. I said, Trinity, keep it going when you're 100 years old. Happy birthday to Trinity. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, that's it, you guys. I must say it was bomb. It was so good. It tasted like Olive Garden or Applebee's Alfredo and chicken, but better. I'm not just saying because I made it and I'm biased, but y'all, it was truly bomb. So proud of myself. Made the sauce from scratch and the chicken from scratch. I use flour, heavy cream, milk, butter, and seasonings. The seasonings that you seen on the video, y'all. So if you want to look, if you're looking for a new recipe for Alfredo chicken, y'all, this is bomb. I need my own restaurant, period. Bye. And I would like to say, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you aren't a subscriber yet, subscribe. And thanks for watching Melody Slay, your girl. My girl, let's go slay.